Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you a method that you can use to speed up the process of creating your online business. So if you're doing anything online, you can use this method in order to create your business like from scratch, and it's about modeling something that exists. So this is called funnel hacking. Funnel hacking is reverse engineering a funnel that is already working. So reverse engineering a successful funnel. And a funnel is process, so it's an upgraded version of a website. So it's a process from getting somebody from the internet that doesn't know anything about your product to getting them to purchase your product, so to purchase your offer. And now if you're about to do anything online, you're gonna choose like a product. Maybe you already have a product that you're selling offline and you want to sell it online, and you're gonna choose your market. So there are three markets, general markets, that any product that you're selling fit in one of these three. So you're either selling in the wealth category, or in the health category, or in the relationships. And for example, I'm just gonna give you an example at the end after I tell you what funnel hacking is and how you can apply it, and you're gonna see how you can apply funnel hacking. So your goal as an entrepreneur in the beginning is to create a funnel, and first to understand how a funnel works. And the best way to create a funnel is not to create it from scratch, but to model what already works. And the best way to go about it is to actually find your competitors, and that's one of the first parts in funnel hacking. So you need to find your competitors. And the truth is, if there are no competitors in your niche, then you probably should not start selling in that niche, because in 2019 there are so many people who are doing business online, who are selling a product online, that all niches already have people selling in. So if there's demand, then there's somebody offering this already. All you need to do is to create a funnel with a better offer. As an entrepreneur or as a business owner, when you're creating a funnel, your goal is to create a funnel that works. And you'll hear this expression, a funnel that works, and generally it's a funnel that generates a positive ROI. So if you invest, for example, $1, that's the simplest way to understand it. Invest $1 and get $2 back. So you're gonna invest $1 in paid ads. So you're gonna pay Facebook or Google or somebody else who can get you traffic to your funnel, and you're gonna get $2 back. So if you're gonna invest, for example, $10,000, then you're gonna get $20,000 back. And that sounds too good to be true, but you can actually model something that already works. And you don't need to start everything from scratch. You need to use funnel hacking. And I'm gonna tell you 5 things that you need to look for in a competitor that is already selling that product, so that you can model what they're doing and implement it for your offer. So the first thing that you need to look is the audience. So audience is the most important thing for this to work. If your product is for losing weight, for example, you need to find people who will be interested in losing weight. So people who have that extra weight they want to lose. And you're gonna see if somebody is selling a product, for example, a course on how to lose weight, then you will see that they're targeting specific demographics and specific people who would be interested to buy that product. So your number one thing to look for is your audience. Then the second thing to look for is the offer. So you have your competitor and you see what they're doing, and you see that they have like one product 1, then product 2, then product 3, but usually you cannot see all the products without buying their offer. So if you want to make your life easier, you just go to their funnel and buy what they're offering, and you're gonna see like first product, for example, it's a course. Second product, it's a group or a different course maybe. Third product, it's a personal consultation. And because you did your research, and the best way to know if a funnel is successful or not is if you're constantly seeing their ads in your feed in Facebook, Instagram, maybe Messenger, or maybe in Google, like on different websites, you keep seeing the same ad like for a long period of time, then it means they're profitable, because nobody's gonna spend money on the same ad if they're not getting money back. So that's the easiest way to tell if that funnel works, and that's how you're gonna model their offer. And you're gonna for example, first offer this course, then second offer like something, maybe a physical product, maybe some meal plan, if we're talking about the lose weight niche. And then this is the second one. So first one audience, second one offer. So an offer is a sequence of products. First product this, second product this. Second product is usually called an upsell. So the first could be a front-end offer, or the core offer, then an upsell, then the second upsell, maybe a downsell. That's what an offer is. And the third thing is the funnel itself. So the funnel is just the technical part. So it can be that the funnel starts with a squeeze page. A squeeze page is where people enter their name and email, and you collect that information that you can use email marketing to show them their offer afterwards. Or it can start with a sales page where the offer is presented, like the video maybe, then benefits, then testimonials, then like buttons, calls to action, and then after they press that button, they go to the order form. So that's the sequence, the technical part of the funnel. Squeeze page, sales page, order form. And then after they pay for the core offer, then you can offer them like an upsell. That's another page in the funnel. So you need to map out this structure, and then you copy it, like copy the structure, and then plug in your offer, your product, and you have a funnel that works. That's the third thing. And then the fourth thing is traffic source. So you find that audience in the first point, but you need to look like, where is that audience hanging out? Maybe they're using Facebook, maybe they're using Instagram, or maybe they use like LinkedIn maybe, or WhatsApp. I don't know if you can show ads on WhatsApp, but maybe Bing or Yahoo. You can target people on all these platforms, because all of them are search engines or social media platforms, and they are selling ad space where you can place your banners or your videos so that you can get their traffic to your funnel, so they become your traffic. Okay, so you find where they're hanging out, where your audience, where your potential customers are hanging out, and you're placing ads there so that they can see what you're offering. And then the fifth thing is the ad itself. So the ad can be a video, or a video with text, an image with text, a banner, and that's what you need to model that. So if you're talking about funnel hacking, you need to model what they're doing. So if they have maybe a banner with a white headline and an image with a woman or a family maybe, or like, if that's what works for them, you need to model that. So if you see an ad over and over again, then you need to model that ad with the text they're using, with the structure. They're using carousel ads, like multiple images. Then you use multiple images as well. If they're using a short video, you're going to use a short video as well. That's basically what funnel hacking is. So to recap, the entire process of funnel hacking somebody or a business that already works is to see what audience they're selling their offer to. That's one. The audience. Then the second one is the offer. The offer is all the products that they're selling, from the core offer or the front-end offer to the upsells and downsells. The third thing is the funnel, the technical side, or the website. A funnel is an updated and upgraded version of a website. So that's the third one. After you have that, you need to find the traffic source. Where are they getting people from? Traffic sources can be from search engines, and then from different websites, or from social medias. And then the fifth one is the ad itself, which can be of different types: images, photos, text, banners, and you have funnel hacked, and now you're ready to create your own online business and create your own funnel, and you know it's gonna have a higher success chance because there was already somebody who is doing this, and they're successful, and you're gonna have a higher chance of making it successful for you and for your product. Okay, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, leave a like and let me know down below if you find like this will save you a lot of time implementing funnel hacking for creating your first funnel or your next funnel. And subscribe to the channel, as I post a lot of content about creating funnels and creating successful sales funnels, and what this includes, like from running ads to building the funnel itself to marketing, email marketing, and all these parts. And you're gonna learn more by subscribing, and the information is absolutely free and it's valuable. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.